Shiloh Christian Mixed Ensemble, and we will be singing I Will Lift My Eyes by Michael Jones Trott.
Watches over you will not slumber. He that watches over Israel will not slumber. The Lord is your keeper. Your shade upon your right hand. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon harm you by night. The Lord shall preserve thee from all evil. He shall preserve your soul. He shall preserve